For the last 3 years, the tech industry has been operating on a single assumption. OpenAI is the iPhone and everyone else is just fighting for the second place. We were told that Sam Altman had a secret AGI in the basement that would turn us all into paperclips. But after the release of Gemini 3 this week, it's starting to look like OpenAI wasn't the iPhone after all. They were the BlackBerry, and the keyboard just stopped working. Do you remember the good old days of 2023 when typing "write me a poem" into a chatbot felt like a magic? We convinced ourselves that being a prompt engineer was a real career path. We thought learning how to talk to a robot was a skill. But the era is over. Google just released Gemini 3 and let's be honest, it's not a competition anymore, it's a massacre. On every single meaningful benchmark, coding, reasoning, math and not hallucinating lawyers into existence, Gemini isn't just winning, it is lapping the field. While OpenAI was busy in fighting and restructuring their safety board for the 10th time, Google quietly solved the latency problem. Gemini 3 is instant, it feels less like a chatbot and more like a thought extension. But the tech specs aren't even the scary part. The scary part is distribution. OpenAI has a website, Google owns the internet. As of this update, Gemini is natively integrated into Android, Chrome and VS Code. You don't have to go to AI anymore. The AI is just there. It reads your emails before you do. It writes your commits before you save the file. It's convenient, sure, but it also means Google has successfully built the ultimate walled garden. So where does this leave OpenAI? They are stuck in the uncanny valley of business models. They don't have the data distribution of Google. They don't have the compute efficiency of Meta's open source models. They are burning cash to train models that are now the second best option. In the tech world, second place is just the first loser. Even their biggest backer, Microsoft, has started cheating on them with their models in the GitHub Copilot. When your sugar daddy starts diversifying his portfolio, you know the party is over. So, should you cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription? Look, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a guy on the internet, but I generally try not to pay monthly fees for nostalgia. We wanted the singularity and we got it. It just turns out the AI overload prefers colorful G's over the black and white hexagons. Thanks for watching. I need to go to ask Gemini how to apologize to my Google Home for unplugging it 3 years ago.